Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn 10 common animal idioms in English. Idioms are expressions where the meaning is not literal, so the words don't mean exactly what they say. These idioms are very common in everyday English, especially in work and daily conversations. So let's get started! The early bird catches the worm. This idiom means people who start early often succeed. He wakes up early to study every day because the early bird catches the worm. A fish out of water. This means a person who feels uncomfortable in a situation. I felt like a fish out of water at my first office job. Let the cat out of the bag. This idiom means to tell a secret by accident. She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Hold your horses. This means wait. Slow down and do not hurry. Hold your horses, we still need more information. A busy bee. This idiom means a person who works very hard. She is a busy bee and always finishes her work on time. Cry wolf. To call for help many times when it's not needed, so people stop believing you. He cried wolf too many times, so now no one believes him. Copycat. A copycat is a person who copies others. My sister is a copycat and always wears the same clothes as me. Raining cats and dogs. This idiom means it is raining very heavily. We stayed inside because it was raining cats and dogs. The lion's share. This means the biggest part of something. She did the lion's share of the work on the project. Eagle eye. This idiom means someone who notices small details easily. The teacher has an eagle eye and notices every mistake. Well done! Now, let's see what you remember. Number 1. The early bird catches the worm. A. Animals wake up early. B. Starting early brings success. C. Birds like worms. Correct answer, B. Number 2. A fish out of water. A. Someone who likes swimming. B. Someone who feels uncomfortable. C. Someone who is very quiet. Correct answer, B. Number 3. Let the cat out of the bag. A. Free an animal. B. Buy something. C. Reveal a secret. Correct answer, C. Number 4. Hold your horses. A. Take care of animals. B. Hurry up. C. Wait and slow down. Correct answer, C. Number 5. A busy bee. A. A noisy person. B. A hardworking person. C. A tired person. Correct answer, B. Number 6. Cry wolf. A. Ask for help politely. B. Lie about danger too often. C. Be afraid of animals. Correct answer, B. Number 7. Copycat. A. A creative person. B. Someone who copies others. C. Someone who teaches. Correct answer, B. Number 8. Raining cats and dogs. A. Light rain. B. Snowing. C. Very heavy rain. Correct answer, C. Number 9. The lion's share. A. A small part. B. The biggest part. C. An equal part. Correct answer, B. Number 10. Eagle eye. A. Someone who sleeps a lot. B. Someone who notices details. C. Someone who is very fast. Correct answer, B. So how many did you get correct? Tell me in the comments. Today, you've learned 10 common animal idioms in English. Try to listen for them in movies, at work, or in daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which idiom was new for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.